Where's my notes? My notes. I have to pee. Why do I have to pee again? Like, why? Today's video is going to be me showing you my very first influencer box. First of all, before I go any further, they sent this product to me for free, and I'll get into explaining what it is, how you can do it, anybody can do it. This video is not sponsored, I swear. I'm just a YouTuber who can't afford to buy products to test for people, I'm just a new YouTuber who doesn't have money to go out and buy a bunch of products to test and review for my viewers, such as you watching this video. But this is an outlet for those of you like me and yourself. This sentence is making any sense. I haven't been able to talk in like a couple of days. But anybody can do this. Even anybody who doesn't have a YouTube channel. You can do this. Even if you don't have social media, you can do this. So, let me get into explaining what influencer is all about. I literally screenshotted the description off of their app and put it on my phone. I'm gonna read it off of here. So yeah, and this isn't a scam. You can look up tons of other videos. There are so many people on this app, and it's perfect for when you are bored and you don't have anything to do. You just get on here and review products that you've used or want to use, or I'll explain it all. Okay, so first of all, you ask, what is influencer? Well, I got the answer right here. Influencer is a product discovery platform that lets opinionated, social media savvy consumers like you discover and share knowledge on products through sampling, reviews, and more. How you get started, you just, what the hell? I skipped over something. Okay. Basically, you just sign up, you complete your profile, you connect your social medias. The more you connect, the higher chance you have of getting a Voxbox. You review, you start earning badges on there, and just the more active you are, the more likely you are to get chosen. More likely to get chosen for Voxboxes. And then a Voxbox, which is what I got in the mail, is Voxbox selection is a process. They want to make sure Voxboxes go to members who will test, review, and share products relevant to their lifestyles. When selecting for a program, they will email you a link to a pre-campaign survey. And the email will include a deadline for completing the survey, as well as ask for an address if we will be shipping something. It's important you include your valid address, as this is the only way we will know where to ship this. So basically, you do all this stuff on the app, which the more you do, the more you connect, you get kind of noticed. And it's pretty easy. I don't know the ratio scale on this, but I literally was only on this app for like a couple of days, like a week maybe. And I don't have a lot of social media following. Like my Instagram's got insert handles here. If you're not already, follow me on my social media. Should definitely do that. But I don't have a big following on there, on my Instagram or my Twitter. So, but I connected that, and then I connected my Facebook, and I connected like YouTube channel. And all those together, they combined all of that together, and that gives you your following, which increases your chance of, like, it just increases your chance. So basically, these companies will tell influencer, send out the survey, mail it to a bunch of people on your app that you think is compatible. You get the survey in your email address. You go and you fill out the survey. It's a short survey, it doesn't take very long, and then you get an email back saying you were chosen for so and so campaign, and you give them your address, and then boom, your product should be in the mail in a couple of days. Mine got here like super duper fast. Super duper fast. So if you guys want to try this out, you're new YouTuber, young, I know it's really hard with all these big YouTubers getting like tons and tons of PR. YouTuber like me, you know, new YouTuber, and you don't have a huge following and you don't get PR and stuff like that. This is a great way to get products in the mail to help, you know, you save money. So if you haven't already, you should hit that subscribe button and give this video a like if you like unboxings and just the idea of this video in general. And like I said like 2 seconds earlier, make sure you follow me on my social media. I upload videos every Sunday and Thursday, and then I post reminders on my social media. I ask you guys for your input on Q&As, stuff like that. So join the fam we got going on here. Follow me on my social media and subscribe. Alright, that covers the basics. Let me show you what influencer sent me. Okay, so this campaign, and again, this was free. Influencer sent this to me for free. This is not sponsored. I just wanted to share this with you all because I was really excited that this is the first time I've gotten like anything free sent to me in the mail, basically. So, alright, so this is the Clariol ColorCrave, and then on the box it says influencer. Don't know if you can read that. I can't read it from the viewfinder, so and then it says influencer on the other side. So I've already opened this. I was so excited. You watch my other videos and you know me, Ashley cannot wait until the video is made to open anything. And if she does, pigs are falling out of the sky or something. I don't know. Anyways, so let's open her up. Let's open her up. Alright, so it has a card in it. It says new Clariol ColorCrave. Hashtag flaunt your flawless. Flaunt your fearless. Flaunt your fearless. I don't know why I couldn't say that. They have 11 bold semi-permanent hair colors. They last up to 15 washes. Has no ammonia, no peroxide, no parabens. Craveable color for blonde and brunette hair. And then they have the shade Indigo, Orchard, Flamingo, Lavender, Rose Gold, Candy Apple, Apricot, Scarlet, Daffodil, Emerald, and Teal. Ooh, Emerald would be really pretty. And then on the back, they have new Clariol ColorCrave, hashtag flaunt your fearless, wash out shampoo. So they have semi-permanent color, like hair color, and washout shampoo. And I'm in love with the whole washout shampoo thing. You can go for a couple of days, have some wacky hair, not wacky, but some sick ass hair, and then next day you just go back to the normal hair color that you have. And this has 6 shimmering shades. Basically you just shake, shimmer, dry, and go. I am going to be doing a test it, review, trial video of this within the next couple of weeks. I'll probably film my hair before, because I already have blonde in my hair. So the colors that I got in here, since I already looked at the box, the colors are going to be great with my hair. I'll film from start to finish in my final thoughts video, so stay tuned for that. So the first thing in here, let me go ahead and show you the amazing things that I got. Clariol ColorCrave. I guess these are bracelets. I didn't actually like take these out to open and see what this is. I'm just guessing it's bracelets. So you get 3 of them. Unless it's hair ties. Because it doesn't say on the box. Oh, I think they're hair ties. They're stretchy. You might, I don't know, you can, oh, that's really cool. Yeah, they're kind of like bracelet things. They're cute. I like them. It's the little things that amaze me. Okay, so the next up is Clariol ColorCrave Hair Makeup in the shade Shimmering Rose Gold. And this is the wash out shampoo for dark to light hair. And that's what that looks like. And I'll take it out of the package. Let's untape this. And this is really cool. I guess you just shake tube before using, squeeze tube until color appears on sponge applicator, swipe onto dry hair strands, heat with blow dryer to lock in color, wash out with shampoo. Okay, from first reading that, it seems like a little difficult, but we'll see how that all goes. That's what the sponge looks like. That's interesting. It's really soft too. Okay, I'm not gonna squirt the product out. Mine would be a bad idea. It would be a mess. And then the next thing in here, and then they have some tissue paper in there. Next thing in here is Clariol ColorCrave Semi-Permanent Hair Color in the shade Orchard. Bold color for brunette, blonde, or bleached hair. I'm telling y'all, this purple though is gonna look great in my hair, because I still have some like lavender color, so your girl gonna be having some some purple ends and a little bit of lavender mixed in with that, and this is gonna be sick. I'm like so excited. I love dyeing my hair. Surprisingly, it's not badly damaged, knock on wood. But it comes with gloves and the brush. And this is what the box looks like. It's upside down. And make your statement. 1. Wash and towel dry hair. 2. Wearing gloves, apply color to chosen sections of hair with hands or included brush. Fully saturate hair with product. 3. Wait 20 minutes for color to set. For bolder results, wait 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with water until water runs clear. It's pretty cool. Your basic instructions. And this is what the tube looks like. Looks like a paint tube to me. I wonder what it smells like. Should I open this? I probably shouldn't open it. Probably not a good idea, but it's still really cold. Like when I got all this stuff in the mail, like where I live, North Carolina, it is freezing. And so I got all this stuff and it was just like super cold. So, and then it has instructions. So yeah, I really like what I got. I'm glad they sent 2 of these things. I really wasn't expecting to get all of that. I just didn't think that it was gonna, I thought I was just gonna get like 1 thing. But your girl's gonna be having some cool hair here soon, I hope, and I will let you know what my thoughts are on these products in a future video later on in February. Yeah, because when y'all see this video, it will be February. Where has the year gone? And I'll definitely link Influenster down below. Go check it out. You might get chosen for a box. Oh, and you have to, one of the requirements for this though, I totally forgot to say this. I feel bad. One of the requirements is if you get a box, you have to post a review within a month of getting it, or you probably, it's either you will not get another box or you might not get another box, something like that. I think it's you won't get another one. Because I mean, the point of them sending it to you is so that you try it and post a review. And they want your honest opinions, like your honest opinions. So when I do a test on this, I will give you my honest thoughts. I will let you know the retail price of all these products if I think it's worth it, and like if I have any other alternatives for you all to use that is cheaper than this, I will let you know that as well. So if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'm so happy I got this in the mail. It is just, it kind of just, even though it's not like PR, it just makes me feel like I've sort of accomplished something on my YouTube channel, you know? So yeah, alright, well, I'm gonna stop rambling now. It probably took me forever to explain how this whole influencer thing works. But I hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in my next video, which will be coming to you Sunday. Bye!